For this project I'm going to show you how to decorate a frame to go along around a painting that you painted. You'll remember this one I did in a previous video. So I'm just going to take that away. What you need is you need a wooden frame. You need a glue gun with a glue stick. You need black paint that you're going to put underneath for a base coat. PVA acrylic paint. A paintbrush or a foam brush, and then afterwards you can use this white canvas primer, or you're going to use your white acrylic paint. But first off, we're going to use the glue gun and we're going to make patterns on the frame, and then we're going to paint it black, let it dry, paint it white, distress it a little bit with the sanding paper, and then varnish it if you like. If you don't like, you don't need to. And that's it. So here we go. Just be careful, this thing gets very hot and it can burn you very bad. So I'm just going to make random patterns on this frame.
We didn't mean the stuff we said in bed that broke the
Okay, this is dried now, so I'm going to take my white and a little bit of burnt umber, and then I'm going to paint this frame with a flat brush, but I'm going to use it like that, so it just touches here and there. Okay, so here we go.